Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2023 i4 eDrive40 in Sunset Orange Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2023 BMW i4 eDrive40 in Sunset Orange. So this is the first time I've seen one of these cars in Sunset Orange. This isn't a new color for BMW. We have seen it on the previous 3 Series and 2 Series, but it's now trickled over to the i4, and I've never seen one yet in this color. So I wanted to share this interesting Sunset Orange i4 with you. Also for the fact that this is also the first one that I've seen that does not have the M Sport package. So in person, I've not seen one like this yet. So definitely I've not created any content on it yet because I've not seen one before. But I wanted to take this opportunity to share this interesting build with you. And again, it's charging right now. I'm in a bit of a close quarters situation. So I just wanted to try and get as many shots for you as I can before we jump into the details of this unit. But overall, it's definitely attention grabbing, and it looks really cool. All right, so let's take a look at those BMW LEDs. Look really nice. We have the BMW Rondell with the blue accent to let us know this is an EV or electrified BMW. It's interesting how you've got this sharp body line right here, and it kind of angles off on this little air duct on the lower apron that is functional. I can see through it, and it goes right into the brakes. Got the little opening here for your front tow hook. The front design, I mean, the kidney grille is the same shape, and it's got kind of that top half closed, bottom half open design, just like the other ones. The front lip looks a little bit different here. It's actually a really nice design. Just haven't seen one before. The M Sport is definitely much more sporty, but yeah, I've never seen this one to actually compare. It actually looks really nice. I like it. Now, if we come around to the side, so we have the 18-inch 854 style wheels with all-season tires. So these are the standard wheels. And again, we've got the blue accent going around the center there on the BMW Rondell. And with or without M Sport, we do have the body-colored side skirt down here. There's a cutout here as well, and it goes kind of the entire length all the way to the back door there. All right, and we have those new style door handles that we've seen on 4 Series Grand Coupe, which technically this is the 4 Series Grand Coupe, as well as the new 2 Series, and a couple other things here. So we've got the nice 4 Series tail lights. I really love the design of that. And on the side here, look, we've got another sharp cutting line here, and it goes into this. This one's not a real vent. We've got some horizontal reflectors. We've got these massive rear diffusers in place of what would normally be some exhaust, so that's really good. I don't like when they put exhaust on electric cars, doesn't make any sense. And this is the eDrive40, and we've got the Rondell there with the blue accent, and the camera is right in there as well. Now, if I just take a minute and get this tailgate open for you, so let me just open it up. So it is a hatch on the 4 Series Grand Coupe, so we do have a cover up here, and then we've got a secondary cover down here. Now in here, it looks like we've got a whole bunch of floor mats, so winter and summer. Inside of this bag, we have the occasional use level 1, level 2 chargers, and we've also got tire inflator kit and wheel locks, and down here, tow hook, wheel lock key, right? All the good stuff. And I'm just trying to make some space here. So there's another storage compartment down there, and if I lift this up, we do have some space here as well that we can move some of the stuff and gain back some of the trunk space. Now there's a button up here I can press to close, another one to close and lock, so let me press the close button and close it in style. Beauty. And we're just at the charge port door, so this vehicle is charging because it needs a full charge as it's just arrived. We've got a little legend in here what tells you all the lights do. So there is different lights for different functions, but it also just glows white when you open it so that you can see what's going on if it's dark. Let me lift up the door handle in the back here. So look at that. We actually have the individual Mocha interior in here, which looks really good. Take a look at those seats. Everything comes buckled up. Now we do have some release levers on the shoulder here, so we can fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Center pass through here. There's also armrests with cup holders here as well, right? Just like so. Headrest can flip down, or they can flip up if somebody's sitting here. And we've also got some vents on the back of the center console, rear climate controls. And we also have some vents underneath the front seats, as well as some lighting. And we've got some pockets in the side doors as well. That all looks really nice. Let's open up the front passenger door. So if I open up this one, so we have the aluminum BMW I door sill. We've got this nice Mocha interior. We have power seat with lumbar. Look at that. Pattern on the seat looks really nice. I love this Mocha color. It actually looks so good. We've got piano black trim. We have the large curved display for eDrive40. It looks really good. And we've got a little storage compartment here with communication pad, cup holders, 12-volt plug. We've got the blue accents on the shifter and the blue start stop button. And we also have a traction button, park assist button, Sport Comfort Eco Pro auto hold, electronic parking brake, and of course your iDrive controller. And if I open that up, we have USB Type-C. If I open this up, lots of space in here. Let's go around to the driver's side. All right, so let's open up that driver door. And once I've got it open, I'm just gonna press this. It's bothering me that the side mirrors are not folded out when the car's unlocked. So we've got some memory buttons. We've got all your window controls here, side mirror controls, and then we've got your tailgate release over here. BMW I door sill. That's what it looks like when the car comes from factory. So it's got this protective thing here. Full power seat, Mocha leather, and eDrive40. So we do actually have the color match vehicle in the eDrive40 display showing that it is charging. However, that one's got the blue accents. This one has this like silver accent, which I think looks way better. We do have your exterior lighting controls, and we've got your signal indicator that has your BC and automatic high beams, cruise control, heated steering wheel, and then we've got your radio controls, wiper stock on the other side, and overall it looks really nice in here. Now we do also have a panoramic sunroof, which is nice large opening, and we do have that new style antenna there that looks like a doorstop. And we also have up here some reading lights and such. So I mean, very typical BMW layout in here, but this one is fully electric. Let's take a look at what is under the hood. So we're gonna just pull twice. Let's go around to the front. So the two-pull system alleviates us from having to find anything underneath here, so we can just simply lift that up. And look at that. Lots of plastic, BMW I. You do have your positive battery terminal, your negative battery terminal, your washer fluid. But underneath all of this, we have an electric motor that outputs 335 horsepower, 317 foot-pounds of torque. And with the eDrive40 and the 18-inch wheels, this is going to get a range of about 484 kilometers. Now, obviously, that's give or take based on your ability to recoup and coast and the temperature outside. So a number of determining factors, but that's what it is. All right, so I'm going to try and give you as many wide viewing angles of this vehicle as I possibly can before we end the video. Sunset orange color actually looks really nice. And I've got an Austin yellow F82 over here with a manual transmission in case anybody's looking for one of those, but it actually looks really nice beside that color. But here we are. This is the i4 eDrive40. It looks really good. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2023 BMW i4 eDrive40 in sunset orange metallic. Looks great. The Mocha interior looks wonderful. And I think this car is spec'd out really well. What do you guys think? If you like the car, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.